Hey, for God's sake. Alright then guys, so I got the dexta going. I put the roller on the back and we've just chain arrowed this field, so now I'm rolling it. And the rabbits have made quite a mess here, so I'm going to roll that. Sorry about my voice, I've got a cold, I don't feel very well, but I'll keep going. So yeah, let's get on with it. Alright then, so as you can see, I've got the roller on the back of the dexta. The dexta's running very well. This is our hay, for God's sake. This is our one of our hay fields. This one, we're going to be baling it as well as the top one. That top one's all finished. It's been chain arrowed to get rid of all the moss because the moss stops the grass from growing, and then we go over it with the roller just to stick any bits of grass that we did rip out back in. So this is going to get the same treatment. I'm going to come and roll it. So yeah, actually I did have my GoPro, but I attached it to the mount on the top on the roll cage, but I went to turn it on and it wasn't charging, so well, it didn't have any charge, so I must not have charged it. So I'll be using this camera, a little bit iffy about it, but we'll be right, Let's get on with it. So we'll do the headlands first. I'll top this headland just to get rid of some of the nettles. The rabbits have made quite a mess, so this roller will help sort out all the rabbit holes and molehills. We'll just speed it up a little.